Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have a plain brown box. I believe it is my Boxycharm pop-up, which actually arrived before my Boxy Premium, so let's get in here and see if I'm right. So while I get into this, I will tell you, I don't remember what I ordered, and I know you guys can't believe that, but I get in and I get so excited about some of the things that I see that I think, oh, I missed that in a box, or oh, I'd like to try that, and I place the order, and I quickly put it out of my mind and move on to the next box. So I can't wait to find out what I have, and if this is indeed my Boxy pop-up, which I can't imagine what else it would be. It is, and it doesn't look like I did a huge order this time, so this should only take a minute. All right. Digging right in, I know, you guys are going to start revolting soon when you see this. I have a Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. But look, this one's littler. I know, you guys are like, seriously with the scrubbers? Yes. You can't keep them forever. I worry about what grows inside shower things, so we replace them a lot around here. I think they say you can go 2 to 3 months on a scrubber, but I don't think so. I wouldn't go 2 to 3 months without washing my washcloth, so no way. That is what this one looks like. This one is smaller than all of the other ones I've chosen, so let's look at it. Yep, this is just a plain little white scrubber. See how scrubbly and nubbly it is? And all of their products come with the string attached to hang it from. And this, which you can right onto your tub, and you just, I know, it's very simple. I will put all of my prices down here of what I paid and what the retail is, and like I said, we just go through them so quickly that when I find them in pop-up sales or edit sales with FabFitFun, wherever I find them, I buy them. So that is one of my obsessions. And actually, this box of only 4 things is filled up with 3 of my obsessions. But this one is not for me. This one is me sharing the love. This is the No Problem Primer from Touch in Sol, and I love this. I am using so many primers. I'm trying all of the ones that we get, the Dr. Brandt, the Pure Lease. I have the new Tatcha primer that's in a pump. This is probably still my favorite. I'm using them all. Some of them are almost just as good as this, but I have to tell you, if somebody said to me today, you can have one primer for the rest of your life, what do you pick? This is what I'd pick. And a little while ago, I turned my mom onto it too, and she likes it even for non-makeup days because it gives your skin almost a blurred look. It's just a great primer, and that is what it looks like. And it just pumps out a little bit of pink primer. And let's see if one, I'm gonna rub it in up here in case it does anything to my pores. Maybe there'll be a shot at you guys seeing it. But it just rubs in. It has a nice, really light fragrance. Not really floral, just kind of a nice lotiony light fragrance. And it rubs in. It doesn't leave a real silicone feel. If you use too much, it will. I have used in the past accidentally too much and it leaves you kind of silicone-y. But if you use just, like I just showed you, a pump to do your face, it just lays right in. Oh, I can absolutely tell that that hand looks blurred now. It just, yeah, and it just smells so good. I love it. If I could only have one primer ever, this would be the one, but this is for my mom. All right, I'm gonna need you now, and I guess it shouldn't matter to me because you're at your own homes, so feel free to do what you want, but I would like a slight promise that you're not gonna laugh. Okay, are we promising? I picked up from Luxe and Willow 10 beauty blenders. Well, technically beauty sponges. They're not beauty blenders. Yeah, I like them. And this falls back to the same as this. We don't know what's in there. And when I use my beauty blenders, they say you can use them for 2 to 3 months, 3 months max, as long as you keep them clean, which I absolutely do. But if you had less expensive ones, and I'm telling you right here how inexpensively I got this, as opposed to a $20 beauty blender, you could throw them away more often, and that's what I'm thinking. So this came with pretty lavender and blue and different color pinks. Let's get in here and see what it looks like. All right, so let's put my glasses on and make sure this doesn't say anything. It says Luxe and Willow Blender Set, 10 makeup blending sponges, 10 precision sponges that can help you create a flawless, streak-free complexion while minimizing product waste. Hypoallergenic and latex-free, and that's always great. Okay, well, we have a handy little carrying case, you know, in case we have to take our beauty sponges somewhere. You don't know, it could happen. All right, we have, oh, these are very firm. I mean, that is firm. This should be interesting. And it's very smooth. I don't know if the smoothness will come across for you guys. Also, it's not that purple. The purple that I'm seeing on the screen is not the purple that I'm seeing in real life. But I hope you guys can tell. See how smooth that is? And it's the same exact shape of a beauty blender. So we have purple, blue, this is gray. I don't know if that's coming across as gray, and pink. They all seem to feel of the same density and the texture. So I don't think that there's any differentiation with them. I think it's just a color preference. We'll give them a try. And if I like them, that's at least a year's worth of beauty sponges for whatever I paid for them, which I have to assume if I bought 10 random beauty sponges, it must have been a really good deal. Okay, and last but not least, and the funnest part of this, I got the Flamingo eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. And if you guys just watch me open my Boxycharm box, I got the Violet Voss palette and waxed poetic about how much I like Violet Voss. And I didn't have this palette, so look how big it is. I mean, it is a huge palette. Let's get in here. We are definitely gonna have to play with this for a hot minute. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Look how cute the flamingos are. And it opens like a book. How cool is that? Boop. So we have that huge mirror, look, with little flip-flops up top. And then, how awesome are those colors? I mean, they are perfect for summer. And I know we're getting near the end of summer, but there are darker colors in here I could use for other seasons. And summer will come again. There will be a 2021, and it will be awesome. Okay, anyway, that is what this looks like. Let's swatch some because, yeah, it is gorgeous. It is just as pretty in person, and it's a good mix of metallics and mattes. And I already know that I love the Violet Voss formula, and I got a good bargain, I'm sure. Okay, the first four swatched are Flamingos, Donut, Flip Flops, and Bikini. Look, it's already gorgeous. So we'll put those right here. Oh, I love her formula. It's just always, I love that. Look at that pink. These are going to be fantastic. All right, and the next four are Oceanfront, Tidal Wave, Beach Ball, and Watermelon. We'll try and put these right next to those. Oh, yeah. Oh, that Tidal Wave, that's gorgeous. See, this one is Tidal Wave, but that's those next four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's the first 8. It's so pretty. I love the Violet Voss formula. I think that she is completely underrated. And the next four are Lemonade, Pineapple, Popsicle, and Sunbathe. These two picked up a little weird, but it might be because my hand wasn't completely dry after, you know, I have to clean off after the swatches. So I think that's probably why. But these two yellows, oh my goodness, how true a yellow. I mean, well, I shouldn't use that one finger. This middle one, I will be using a lot. Oh, yeah. Yes, I will. It's kind of a cross between a yellow and a gold with that shine. That's so nice. And then those other two picked up kind of weird on my finger. Like I said, I think it was because it was wet. Because as you can tell, they're fairly decent swatches. All right, I took more time to dry this time. I'm very impatient to get into these colors though. These are the next four, and they are Surf, Coral, Island, and Sand. That would make a gorgeous eye just on its own. Oh yeah, it would. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. It's kind of a silver, but it just like almost like it picks up what's around it. Those are so pretty. I mean, that Island, that is gorgeous. And then the Sand gives me, I always talk about I like a good base color that's the color of my skin tone. Okay, and the last four. We have Seashell, Pinwheel, Sandals, and Sunnies. This seashell I will use so much. It's like a light pink, but it almost wants to go to, it's almost like iridescent. These are gorgeous. They get a fresh, clean hand. Oh yeah, that seashell, I hope it comes through. It's just nice and light. You know, I always talk about at the bottom inner of my lid, I always do a nice bright pop of color. Let's add a little more to that and build it. It doesn't build much, I will say that. But it does, it's gorgeous. It's just so pretty. I love this palette. I know I'm probably way behind the curve on it. It's probably been out for forever. Let's see. The back says 2018. So that is what that looks like. They are gorgeous. And the formula is fantastic. Yay. So in my cute little Boxy pop-up, I got this gorgeous Flamingo eyeshadow palette, which you will be seeing very soon. I should start a game of spot the palette. You know, when I do my eyes, I should have you guys guess below. There is a good giveaway potential in that. We'll talk about that. That sounds kind of fun. Let me know what you guys think. I have my 10 beauty sponges. We'll talk about how well these work. My Daily Concepts body scrubber and the No Problem primer from Touch in Sol, which I love. All right, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really, really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I cannot tell you enough how much it means to me. And the conversations we have below, I have gotten to know some of you guys. I know just at a surface, but I have met some of the best people. I love it. Thanks again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon, guys. Take care.